Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to undo an action on Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into Monday.com. And once when you've logged in, you can open a project that you're working on. For example, if I have opened up this project, you actually undo for two reasons. Uh, one reason is that, for example, if you have written this, something you've mistyped or written something that you did not want to write, and now if you want to undo, you can just hold the command button or control button if you are using a Windows laptop or PC, or if you're using a MacBook or an iMac, then you have to press Command and Z, and it will be back to normal. You have just uh, worked on the process of undo. That's what I can say. And the second option to undo is when you accidentally delete uh, a column or some data or anything like that. So, for example, if I go here and if I click delete, and although it will give us a warning, but even if you delete it right here, you have the option of undo. So, I'm going to click right here and it's gonna undo it for me. So these are the ways that you can undo anything that you have uh, written by mistake, or if you have deleted some important that data that you did not want to delete. So that is how you actually undo the process. So that's it. That these are the two ways that you can undo. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.